Hey guys, NV here. Sorry I haven't been on. Again, I'm still trying to get over this sickness. I do have a residual cough and some congestion in my chest, but other than that, I feel pretty good. And it has been far too long since I've done a video, so I do apologize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom brush. Now, I don't know if you've seen on a package or some pieces of paper, you'll see some dotted lines that signify to cut here. Well, that's what we're going to create, those little dotted lines. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new document. And I'm going to go ahead and name this Custom Brush 1. I'm going to leave my settings as they are, of course. And I'm going to zoom in here. I'm going to go ahead and tap the B key on your keyboard. And I'm going to create a new layer. I'm just going to keep it plain and simple. And I'm going to name this Dotted Lines. Okay. I'm going to put that in a folder. I'm going to hold the Alt and Shift key. I'll name this Custom Brush 1. Okay. Select our dotted lines layer and make sure you tap the B key on your keyboard. Go to our brushes here and in the hamburger icon right here at the top left, in CS6, you should see some brushes down here and it should say square brushes. Just click on that to load them. And it may pop up with some a dialogue or something saying append or add to or whatever. You just click OK. And in this one, you would just simply click legacy. Okay. Brushes. And in that folder, we're going to go down, scroll down, and select square brushes. Okay. And not sure what size. I'm just going to pick a fairly decent size. Okay. And go back to the layers panel. And it's not too bad. But that doesn't look like dotted lines to me. Okay. So the cool thing is about this, we're going to use a default brush that we just seen, the square brushes. We're going to modify it by going to the brush settings. And I want to up the size to about 30 instead of 24. And in roundness, I want to say about 40. And in spacing, let's say about 300. Okay. And go back to our layers and let's see how that looks. Now I'm going to click and then hold the shift key. And while holding the shift key, just paint out or just draw out to the right or left or however you want to do it. Okay. There's our dotted lines. Now let's say we had I'm going to undo that. Let's say we had a round corner we wanted to do. Well, it wouldn't look right. Okay. It would look really weird. See that? And if you notice, no matter what direction we go, it just looks weird. So what I'm going to do is go back to the brush settings, go to shape dynamic. Right here in control under angle jitter, I want to select direction. Okay. Go back to our layers. And now if we go ahead, click and drag and just paint, see that? It follows however you move your mouse. So that's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is just click, hold shift key and just drag out just like so. And again, do the same thing here. I'm holding shift because it creates a smooth line. If I don't, then, it won't look quite as smooth or straight. So I'm just clicking and holding shift and just drawing out just like so. Again, this is a very simple video. It's nothing complex. But if you had a round corner, you would just basically do the, kind of trace out whatever you're trying to do. But that's pretty much it. Even if you did a circle, you can see the lines stay very even, and it's a very cool effect. So I just wanted to show you guys this. And again, just to draw out your dotted lines, that's how you would do it. In case you ever wanted to use this, I consider this an asset. Okay, something you could use in the future. You may not see any use for it right now, but it can definitely come in handy later once you get into and start knowing Photoshop a little bit better. So, and if you like this brush, just right click and right here, just add to, and we can call this custom brush 1. We can even put in parentheses, dotted lines, just like so. Click OK. And there you go. I'm going to go ahead and click on this and drag it into my first brushes or whatever. So yeah, pretty simple. It's easy to do and it's not a lot of work. And you can do some really cool stuff with this, like I said. So I like what I've got. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I don't have to name it because I've already named it. And click Save. Save it as an image as well, just like so. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. And until next time, I will see you in another video.